What's good? We back. We back with another one. Y'all see, I ain't moved. We back to back to back with these, right? Um, I'm tired though. I ain't gonna lie, I'm really tired. I should take a power nap when I'm it. Well, it's like 1:30. Like I could really do that. But let's get into it. I gotta stop. So in this video, we're just gonna go over support and resistance, right? It's gonna be real simple. First, we're gonna just go over the fundamental basic of support, resistance. Take a look at the charts and just identify a couple key things here. We're not gonna get too deep into it because I want to save that for the end, so that way we can really tie everything together. But let's dig into it, baby. You know, that's our tradition. Got to get that initial bump every time. Well, first things first, what's support? Support. What is support? All right. So when it comes to support, I want you to think of support as being the floor for price, right? So when price hits this floor, what you're going to potentially see is price starts to pause or start to reverse and move to the upside, right? Or move bullish from this point. And one thing I always, you know what I'm saying, I always want to make sure I clarify is that no level is ever an absolute, right? Levels are broken and respected, broken and respected and tested all the time, right? So these zones just help us kind of give us an indication, a nice picture to where we can see price potentially go, right? So with that, we're going to take a little example of what a price support zone will look like. All right, so this is you'll see price in this preceding downtrend, right? So lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price starts to reach this downtrend, right? Boom, boom, then we get now we're starting to see our uptrend momentum here, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. All right. Simple, keep it simple. Resistance, think of your resistance as price hitting its ceiling, right? So think of price moving to the upside, right? Price is moving very bullish. All of a sudden, it hits this area in price where it can't really break through. And now we're seeing price either pause or potentially reverse from this level. Even potentially always break through. Like I say, no level is absolute. But the general consensus for a resistance zone is that price gets to this zone and rejects from it, right? So we see price moving up, higher high, higher low, higher high. You know what I'm saying? Boom, meets this level of resistance. Boom, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low. You know what I'm saying? Roll over to the downside. So let's just take a look at the charts. Oh dang, I got a chart open. That's crazy. Oh, I did just restart my computer. Yeah, I just did GU on the class. So let's take a look at the weekly. Now all of these are EC supports, or resistance zones here. And actually that should be a resistance zone now because we see price broke below. But the general consensus I want to show you is, you know what I'm saying? Here's how we identify support, right? We're seeing price, boom, test these levels, right? Boom, test these levels. We're seeing, even though price may go through a little bit, generally respecting these areas, right? And we see even at this resistance, right? Price was coming up to this level, bouncing off, coming up, bouncing off. And once price broke above, what did it do? It came back and retested this level. Oftentimes you'll see when resistance is broken, it's retested as support. When support is broken, it's retested as resistance, right? So you see we have these two levels of support and resistance. Once resistance gets broken, we see price come back down to retest this resistance and support, breaks up, you know what I'm saying, continues this trend of breaking above these resistance levels and retesting these areas as support, right? We're seeing, even here, we see our double top formation, right? Triple bottom formations here, right? Indicating, you know, giving us indication of price. We have our bullish engulfing, right? We're saying having these candles give us a clear indication, right? A clear break and retest of zones, right? Everything plays a small part. And like if you look at my trading, you see my trading is very simple. I keep everything simple. I'm literally just marking up on my support, my resistance zones for the most part. If I have any, let's see, like DXY, if I have any, I thought I had a chart here with like bullish fag pattern. But if I have any type of patterns, right, it might be. Yeah. See. If I have any type of chart patterns, right, that's pretty much it. Like right here, I have kind of, I was considering a bullish flag. I'm kind of considering it still a bullish flag, right? Where we're seeing price kind of start to reject or from this area of support right to the upside, not really gaining a full lot of strength. It is Friday at 1:30, so market's about to close for the week, right? Just for this week alone, though, we're seeing like, you know, I keep my charts fairly simple. Like some people you'll see, and there's like nothing wrong with that. However, you get down how you get down. Like sometimes you might see I have an RSI on here, and the RSI is it changed. So 1 second. It's gonna look like this plainly. One line, right? It's gonna tell you when price is overbought and oversold. Might typically gets up here 75, 80 in the overbought area. Some people just trade RSI indicator alone, right? Gets to the overbought area, they're selling. Gets to the undersold area, they're buying, right? So you can use different indicators like the RSI to really help you with your trading. Me, predominantly, I'm a price action trader. I'm going mainly off of support, resistance, chart patterns, candlestick form patterns, and I'm sticking to what price is telling me in the moment. Looking to see, you know what I'm saying, understanding the different candlesticks and getting down how we're getting down, right? Understanding that price almost went to print this bearish engulfing here, but we see a strong bearish candle. Seeing that this may have an underlying effect on how price opens up next week, right? So you never know, like, right? We could be broke back above this level of resistance, you know what I'm saying, maybe retesting support to the upside, you know, different things like that, right? So that's it. That's it when it comes, what is this? Support resistance. You already know what I'm saying. Go to the quiz, take the quiz. It ain't really nothing on the quiz. And as we continue to go through these videos, all of this is going to piece together. It's going to make so much sense, and we're all going to get it how we get it. You know what I'm talking about? Like, all right, and you know, like I say, I'm gonna see you on the next episode.